this lecture we will give some formulas and we will discuss problem based on this formula. First you check this list of the formula. 1 sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. First I give list of the formula, then we discuss problems based on this formula and we will derive sum of this formula. First one, sin 3x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. In shortcut you can remember sin 3x equal to 34. 34 means right hand side 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x 43. You can remember it as 43. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Third one, tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now important result, sum to product. Sum to product formula. Left hand side we have addition or subtraction. Fourth one, cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos alpha plus cos beta equal to cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So you can remember it as C plus C, 2cc. Cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Fifth one, cos alpha minus cos beta, C minus C, it is minus 2ss. Remember this is exceptional cases where minus sign is there. 2ss sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. C minus C minus 2ss. So left hand side we have summation form, right hand side we have multiplication, that is product form. Sixth one, sin alpha plus sin beta. You can remember it as S plus S 2SC. S plus S 2SC. So this is 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 S plus S 2SC cos alpha minus beta by 2. Seventh one, S minus S, that is sin alpha minus sin beta. 2CS 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. So again all the four results are: first one, cos alpha plus cos beta, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha minus cos beta, minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Sixth one, sin alpha plus sin beta, 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, and sin alpha minus sin beta, so 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. In shortcut you can remember this one as c plus c, 2cc, c minus c, minus 2ss. Here it is exceptional cases in which first we have to take alpha minus beta, s plus s, 2sc, and s minus s, 2cs. So as a shortcut we will remember this form: c plus c, 2cc, c minus c, minus 2ss, s plus s, 2sc, and s minus s, 2cs. Next one, product to sum formula. Product to sum formula. Eighth one, 2cc c plus c, 2 cos c cos d, 2cc we will remember it as c plus c, so cos c plus d plus cos c minus d. 2cc c plus c, 2 cos c into cos d equal to cos c plus d plus cos of c minus d. Minus 2ss, 2 sin c sin d cos c plus d minus cos c minus d. 10th one, again 9th one, minus 2ss, here minus sign is there, you note this thing, minus 2 sin c into sin d cos c plus d minus cos c minus d. 2sc, 2 sin c cos d sin c plus d plus sin c minus d. 11th one, 2 cos c sin d, 2cs, it is s minus s sin c plus d minus sin c minus d. So these four important result: 2cc c plus c, 2 cos c into cos d, cos c plus d minus cos c minus d, minus 2ss c minus c, 2sc s plus s, and 2cs s minus s. Now recall our previous results: sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Important result is sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. You can easily derive wave formula: sin of alpha plus beta equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. So taking alpha equal to beta equal to x, we get sine, here x plus x, 2x, sine x, cos x, cos x, sin x. Take alpha equal to beta equal to x, that is 2 sin x cos x. Thus sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. So you can observe right hand side angle is half sin 2x. For example, sin 2 theta. This using this formula, how to give expression? Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Suppose sin theta, right hand side angle is half 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, if you want to write, you can also write sin 3 theta, 2 sin 3 theta by 2, right hand side angle is half cos 3 theta by 2. Similarly, use of this formula, suppose sin 4 theta, we can write it as 2 sin, right hand side angle is half 4 theta by 2, that is 2 theta cos 2 theta. So this is use of formula sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Similarly, formula for cos 2x, we know cos 2x it is cos square x minus sin square x. This is main formula, cos 2x. Cos 2x it is cos square x minus sin square x. You can derive this one because we have formula cos of alpha plus beta. Also you should know the alternate form of all these results. First we discuss main result cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos of alpha plus beta, by formula we know it is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Taking alpha equal to beta equal to x, we get alpha x beta x, alpha equal to x, beta equal to x. So you can observe thus cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. So this is main result, cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. Now alternate form, you should also know the alternate form. Main form cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Alternate forms are cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, or this can be written as cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x. These are the alternate form of cos 2x. You can derive it. For example, this is cos square x. Using identity, replace sin square x by 1 minus cos square x, because we have identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So using this sin square equal to 1 minus cos square x, so this can be simplified 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x (2 cos square x minus 1). Next, cos 2x, main formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Using an identity, cos square can be written as 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. So this can be simplified 1 minus 2 sine square x. So thus you can observe cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x. So for cos 2x we have main formula cos square x minus sine square x. You can observe right hand side angle is up, left hand is 2x, right hand side we have angle is up. So using this you can write this one as cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. Cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. So similarly we have formula for tan 2x 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. You can easily derive this one because tan 2x by definition tan is sine upon cos. So sine 2x upon cos 2x. Now numerator sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x, and denominator cos 2x, we know cos 2x cos square x minus sine square x. Now divide numerator and denominator, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So you will get 2 tan x in numerator, 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x. So this is 2 tan x. In denominator when we divide by cos square, 1 minus tan square x. So you can observe thus tan 2x 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this is formula for tan 2x. Now we will discuss problems based on this formula. Suppose example 1, prove that cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y equal to sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y. Solution. So to prove this one, we will prove LHS equal to RHS. Now to prove this one, we will use this formula cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. It is cos of alpha plus beta. One result we will use this one, and another result you are familiar with this one, cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. So these two results we will use to prove this result. So let us start with LHS. Cos minus sin so remember this one as alpha, this is beta, then this is alpha, this is beta. So it is of the form cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So it can be written as cos of alpha plus beta. So this is cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Using this result, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equal to cos of alpha plus beta. So now when we simplify this one, this is pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 45 plus 45, 90, pi by 2 minus x plus y, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2, take minus common. So if you consider this one as theta, then it is of the form cos 90 minus theta, it is sin theta. So this is sin of x plus y, that is our RHS. So two results we have used. First one, cos of cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, cos of alpha plus beta, and another is cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. Second example, prove that tan pi by 4 plus upon tan pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. So here to prove this result we will use this formula, tan of one result alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, tan of alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Another result we will use tan of alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. So we will use these two results to prove this one. Solution, we start with LHS, we will prove equal to RHS. LHS tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. So in numerator we will use formula tan of alpha plus beta. So tan alpha plus tan beta upon in denominator we use formula of tan of alpha minus beta. Tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now we put tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 degree 1. So this is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. This is numerator. Denominator 1 minus tan x, tan pi by 4 1, here tan pi by 4 upon 1 plus tan x, and when we simplify this will be 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, or this can be written as 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square equal to RHS. Next example is prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x so we are discussing all basic results of the trigonometric. Sin 2x into sin 10x. So you recall the formula. We have discussed this formula. Sin square alpha minus sin square beta sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta. So we use this formula. So we start with LHS. LHS sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So if we consider this one alpha, this one beta, then it is of the form sin square alpha minus sin square beta. So sin alpha plus beta 6x plus 4x into sin alpha minus beta 6x minus 4x. So this can be written as sin 10x into sin 2x equal to RHS. We take one more example. Prove that sin n plus 1 into x sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x cos n plus 2 into x equal to cos. Before we discuss solution, formula which we will use I list here. cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So we will use this formula to prove this result. LHS solution sin n plus 1 into x sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x cos n plus 2 into x. So this is A, this is B, so cos A cos B, then this is our A, this is our B, so it is exactly same form, right hand side cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, so it is cos of A minus B, so n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, so it is cos of A minus B. Now when we simplify this thing, cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x, so this is cos minus x, but we know cos is even function, so cos of minus theta, it is cos theta, so this is cos x equal to RHS. So these are the important results and problem based on this important formula.